Botalab Suamel Body Wash. Body wash proactively protects the skin's vital moisture barrier while cleaning away dirt, sweat, microdust, and dead skin cells. No animal testing, no animal byproducts. Botalab is committed to providing top-quality premium vegan products. We rigorously source and select only the finest natural ingredients perfectly suited for total body and are committed to ongoing research and development. It is possible to create stable, effective botanical body care products that deliver real results while respecting and protecting our environment. Key ingredients: lemon, Cymbopogon shenanthus oil, rosemary, ginger, glycolipids. Natural moisturizing ingredients fermented with botanical oil. Suamel, sodium hyaluronate, cross-polymer, hydrolyzed collagen. Hyaluronic acid infused with collagen hyalucollagen 3. Key benefits: Eve Vegan Certified, no animal testing, no animal byproducts. Botalab is committed to providing top-quality premium vegan products. Relaxing scent. Perfect blend of lemon, rosemary, and ginger scents will help you relax and wash away your daily stress during shower. Delicate deep cleansing. The rich bubbles, clean impurities, dead skin cells, and 98% of fine micro dust particles without stripping, leaving skin feeling clean and healthy. Hypoallergenic formula. This gentle, hypoallergenic body wash is gentle enough for everyday use, even for sensitive skin types. How to use: 1. Dispense 1 to 2 pumps onto your hands or a loofah. 2. Apply to wet skin and massage gently. 3. Rinse well, then towel dry. 4. Follow with Suamel body cream to lock in moisture. Special care: for an exceptionally deep clean, mix with Suamel body scrub and rub gently to exfoliate and cleanse in one simple step.